Okay, to make a wig, you need a mannequin head with your wig cap. And this hair is adorable. The name of the hair is adorable. It's a human hair. It has 6 bundles in it, with each step, each length being different. So those are the bundles, and this is one of the bundles already open, stretched. Now this is our lace closure. Yes, our lace closure. I wanted to say lace frontal. Now I'm placing it on the mannequin head. You'd need a thread and a needle also. I don't have a pin to actually stick my frontal to the wig cap, so I'll be using one of my needles, improvising, Yeah, so you want to make sure you stick your lace to your wig cap, and I'm about to start sewing. I always go from underneath, just so the tie on the needle at the end of the needle doesn't show on top of the hair. I don't know if that makes. Yes, I always start from underneath, like put your pin underneath, then keep sewing just the normal way you sew a dress. Yes, just keep. Is this sewing or stitching? I don't know. Okay, so you put it in to the lace, then pick a bit from your cap and then come out. Does that make sense? I hope it does. You put it in, yeah, take a bit of your cap and come out. Exactly. You might have struggles if your thread is too long, so you just keep like helping yourself. Just keep helping yourself. So what I'm doing is sewing from the right to the back and to the left. Notice that I didn't sew the front part. Yes, you do not sew the front part. Just from your right to the back to the left. You might have struggles. That's what I'm having. So you just keep adjusting, removing a bit of the hair like that. And because my mannequin hair doesn't have where to stay, so I have to keep struggling with it on my leg. So I'm just doing the same thing. Put your, I don't know what I'm saying. The same thing. Put your needle in to the lace. Fetch a bit of your wig cap and then come out. That's just it. That is how I sew mine. Taking my time to show you guys this part carefully, just so you just know how it's been sewn. Put it in, take a bit of your cap and come out. Yes. In, bit of your cap, come out. Okay. So I am done doing that. The left, the back, and then the right. Do not sew the front part. And you want to make sure you move the lace a bit forward, a bit, a bit forward, more than your. How do I put it, God? Okay, now I'm about to take my bundles. Now, if you notice, my closure is different from the hair itself. Exactly how I did the other thing, the other one. That is how I've sewn this one. So I'm just showing you guys how I sew it. Basically, just put your needle into the hair, into the wig cap, and come out. That's just it. So this is me having done some path in front. Yeah, you want to make sure you leave a bit of gap in between. A bit, not too much. So I'm just doing the same thing basically. Yeah. And you will have struggles, but you just have to take your time. Now this is tying the end in. You want to make sure you like put your thread in 3 to 4 times. 2, 3, 4 times. I'm almost done with half of the hair. Now I want to go back. Yes, I want to start from the back. I want to start from the back. I'm almost in the middle of the hair. So I'm just showing you guys what I do. Put it into the cap. Put it into the hair, into the cap, and come out. Into the hair, into the cap, and come out. Like that. I don't know how to say this, but so you keep going like that. Just the same rule, just the same thing. Just keep going like that. Nothing so serious. Into the hair, into the cap, out. Into the hair, into the cap, out. You make sure you don't leave too much gap in between the stitches. I hope I'm correct with that word. You don't leave too much gap. Just keep going. I don't know why the video is pausing. So I'll be closing that part. I'm just trying to show you guys the space in between. Not too much space in between. Depends on the volume you want. So I'll be finishing up that way. And tada, we're done. Please, if you can get your closure to be coils, please do. I did not get a closure that looks like it. That is why I had to improvise. So right now I am doing the coils myself with my what do I call this straightener. I'm improvising, please guys, don't laugh. I'm improvising. Yeah, that's just it basically.